What is up, everybody? Thank you so much for tuning in to Ben Travels TV. And coming up next, we head to Mobile, Alabama's Old Dauphin Way Historic District to check out some beautiful neighborhoods, historic mansions, and tons of history. Stay tuned. All right, you guys, welcome back to my channel. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit that bell so you get notified every time we drop a new video here on Ben Travels TV. All right, so we are in Mobile, Alabama. We are centrally located, almost midtown. We're in an area that they call Old Dauphin Way Historic District. It's a historic district in the city of Mobile, Alabama. It was named for Dauphin Way, now known as Dauphin Street, which bisects the center of the district from east to west. The district is roughly bounded by Broad Street on the east, Spring Hill Avenue on the north, Government Street on the south, and Houston Avenue on the west. It's covering 766 acres and containing 1,466 contributing buildings. Old Dauphin Way is the largest historic district in Mobile. All right. Although most of the district contains working class frame houses, large and ornate mansions are found along the main thoroughfares. The contributing buildings range in age from the mid 19th to the early 20th century. Architectural styles range from Greek Revival, Gothic Revival, Queen Anne, Colonial Revival, Tudor Revival, and American Foursquare. You'll see different types of plantation style homes as well. So I'm going to drive around this neighborhood. I checked on Redfin to kind of see what the price range is in this area, and you can see homes from anywhere in the 300s up into the millions. All right, so I would say this is a wealthier part of Mobile, Alabama compared to other areas throughout the city, and this is a beautiful place where you'll see tons of live oak trees going from tree-lined oak trees, right, on Dauphin Way, from street to street, east to west, lined all the way up, tree-lined live oak trees. Absolutely beautiful, guys. All right, I'll check back with you guys in a little bit. We're going to stop by the bragg-mitchell mansion. We're also going to check out the Oakleigh Historic Complex. So enjoy the video, guys. Enjoy this cruise. I just want you guys to see what it looks like in Mobile, Alabama's historic Midtown Old Dauphin Way Historic District. All right, so we are now at Bragg-Mitchell Mansion, also known as Bragg-Mitchell House. It's a historic house museum in Mobile, Alabama. It was built in 1855 by Judge John Bragg. It is one of the most photographed buildings in the city, as well as one of the more popular tourist attractions. All right, the house has been attributed to John's brother, a local Alabama architect, Alexander J. Bragg. All right, John Bragg was born near Warrenton, North Carolina. He graduated from the University of North Carolina at Chapel Hill in 1824, where he studied law. He was admitted to the bar in 1830 and moved to Mobile in 1836, where he continued the practice of law. He was appointed judge to Alabama's 10th Judicial Circuit in 1842 after leaving that post. After being elected to the 32nd United States Congress, he bought the property at 1906 Spring Hill Avenue on May 10th, 1855 for the sum of $7,500 and began construction of the house that continues to stand there today. This house is 2 stories and built on a T-shaped plan. The architecture is in the Greek Revival style with tall, spindly columns. It has Doric order. It contains 14 rooms, with 7 of those being bedrooms. The ground floor features 15-foot tall ceilings. All right, so we're back on Dauphin Way. We're in the Old Dauphin Way Historic District in Midtown Mobile, Alabama, and we're gonna head over to the Oakleigh Historic Complex. I'll check back with you guys in a little bit. All right, you guys. So we finally made it to the Oakleigh Historic Complex. Oakleigh was built in 1833, a historic house museum in Mobile, Alabama. It is the centerpiece of the Oakleigh Historic Complex, a grouping of buildings that contain a working class raised cottage, Union barracks, and a modern archives building. The name for the estate comes from a combination of the word oak and the Anglo-Saxon word lea, which means meadow. The complex is within the Oakleigh Garden Historic District, the surrounding district and neighborhood being named after the estate. Oakleigh was built on 33 acres of woodland west, of Mobile in 1833 by James W. Roper, a brick mason from James City County, Virginia, who was also a dry goods merchant and cotton factor. He chose this site for his house because of its valuable clay pit, the soil. He operated a Water Street brickyard in downtown Mobile on the present day site of the RSA Battle House Tower. All right, so that's just a little history about it. Massive. Look at all those live oak trees as well. The complex is beautiful. They do tours, guided tours. We didn't set up any tours or anything like that because we didn't have much time. We just wanted to swing by and check it out. I've done tours in Baton Rouge, Louisiana at different plantations and things like that. So I've already been down this. I've already had my rodeo with these style homes. Absolutely beautiful. And if you guys are in Mobile, Alabama, come check out some of the history. Enjoy the video. I will see you guys on the next one. I'm out.